In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a budget on the Rocket Money app. If managing your finances is something you're looking to tackle more effectively, you're in the right place. Whether it's your first time budgeting or you're a seasoned pro looking for a more intuitive tool, Rocket Money offers an excellent platform to help you track and optimize your spending habits. So let's dive in and explore how to get your budget set up quickly and smoothly. To begin, you'll want to open a web browser and go to the Rocket Money website. Once you're there, you'll notice the Sign In option typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this to proceed. Logging in is necessary for accessing your personalized dashboard and making any changes or additions to your financial plan. If you haven't signed up yet, be sure to create an account beforehand to follow along seamlessly. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Rocket Money dashboard. This is your primary interface where you can get an overview of all your financial activities and settings. The dashboard is deliberately designed to be user-friendly and provide all the necessary information at a glance. Here, you can track your expenses, analyze your spending habits, and now create a personalized budget. To set up your budget, locate and click on Budgets in the navigation panel. This will direct you to a new page where all your budgeting tools are housed. You'll see an option labeled Add Budget. Clicking, this will allow you to start creating a new budget from scratch. As you create your budget, the next step is choosing a category for it. Rocket Money offers various categories to help you organize your finances effectively. Categories might include essentials such as groceries, entertainment, utilities, or even a miscellaneous section for unexpected expenses. Select the category that fits your financial goals, as this will help you stay organized and make your budgeting more effective. After choosing the right category, the next important step is to set your budget limit. This is crucial because it helps you define how much you're willing to spend within that category over a given period. Setting realistic and achievable limits is key to successfully managing your spending and making sure you're not overextending yourself financially. Think about your regular expenses, previous spending patterns, and any upcoming expenses before deciding on a number. And there you have it. You've just set up your budget using the Rocket Money app. Remember, the key to success with budgeting is consistency. Regularly check your progress against your budgeted limits to make necessary adjustments, ensuring you stay on track with your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on mastering your finances with Rocket Money.